Hey, so in this video, I am going to share some of these products that I recently discovered from this Dutch curly hair care brand. Super interesting. And it blew my mind because my wash and go game is on point right now. So keep on watching if you want to know the tea. And first of all, let me put this out there. This video is absolutely not sponsored. I just collected this collection of curly secret curly hair products from goodie bags, from events, from friends. They sent me these products to try out because they love it so much. So I was just like, let me see what's up for my hair because my hair is difficult. And when I took a look on their website, I don't even have all of their hair products. They have a lot of products for different types of concerns for your hair. If you have dry hair, damaged hair, or if you want hold, if you want volume. So they have a lot of products catered to different needs. One thing that did confuse me a little bit, a lot of these products have the word curly in it, curls, curly. So whenever I need my products for my wash day routine, I literally have to read all the labels because everything looks the same almost, so that's a little bit confusing. But other than that, now I found my staples, so I'm going to share some of that in this video. Okay, so I'm going to start off washing my hair with a deep cleansing shampoo, and this is a sulfate shampoo. And one thing that I like is that it foams up very fast, and it definitely feels like your hair is squeaky clean after you washed your hair with this shampoo. This is meant to remove the product buildup and environmental buildup, so that's amazing, right? Especially if you live in the city, a lot of pollution, this and that. This shampoo will definitely get rid of all that buildup, and it will not leave your hair feeling stripped or dry or whatever. And I use this shampoo on my hair because I have a lot of product buildup, and on my daughter's hair. And now I'm gonna put this hair mask in my hair. This is a repairing hair mask with oat protein and quinoa protein. Girl, like, I don't have any words to tell you how amazing this hair mask is. I was caught off guard while using this hair mask. I've been using this for a while now because I love it so much. It melts in my hair like butter. It detangles my hair instantly. Even my daughter's hair, she has type 4 hair. Her hair loves it. Like, wow. The slip of this product, the slip of this repairing hair mask is incredible. It makes my hair defined, it clumps my curls, it just feeds my curls hydration and moisture instantly. This is like an instant fix if you have super dry hair. Even my daughter's hair, she has like very dry type 4 hair, and her hair loves this stuff. So this is legit one of my favorite products that I've used from Curly Secret till this day. The repairing hair mask, girl, you need to get this. Okay, you need to try this. And I left this in my hair for like 5 minutes only, and then I rinse it out and my hair feels amazing. What do I need more for wash day? Just like the shampoo to remove the buildup, plus this hair mask, girl, this combination is magical. I loved it. So now on to styling my hair. I'm gonna use this curl reviving leave-in, quench my thirst 2-in-1 treatment. Also this pop and curl styling gel. I have a huge bottle because I need it. And then I'm going to finish off with this scrunching oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna section off my hair, and like, girl, it may seem like this process will take me ages, but it just takes me not even 15 minutes to do this whole routine. So definitely keep on watching, okay? You can see my hair now. This is my hair without any product. That's definitely because of this hair mask, because that's usually how my hair would look if I styled my hair with other products. Okay. So first I'm gonna use this curl reviving leave-in. I love the slip of this product, and I love the hold of this product. What's so special about this leave-in is actually that this has protein in it, and the protein molecules are so small, and it fits in perfectly in the tiny gaps in your damaged hair. And then next up, I'm going to use this Quench My Thirst 2-in-1 treatment. This is a 2-in-1 because this can also be used as a hair mask, but also as a styling cream. And it's supposed to give intense moisture and nourishment to the hair, which is actually true. I prefer it as a styling cream, not as a deep conditioner. And then to finish off, I'm going to use this Popping Curl styling gel. I have a 1-liter jar for a reason, because I love this product so much. It gives me perfect hold without making my hair feeling scrunchy, or without flaking my hair up. It's amazing what this gel can do. The hold is incredible. My curls stay defined for literally 7 days with this gel, okay? So I use these styling products first on different sections on my hair. And I use my tangle teaser as well, by the way. I use my tangle teaser to distribute the product in each section, which help to make my curls clump. That's like my new thing that I do for my wash and goes. My curls clump instantly with doing this method and makes my curls pop. So that's what I love. And when I'm finished with applying all the products on my hair, I use a little bit of this scrunching oil. No, okay, not even a little bit. I use a lot, okay? I put that in my hands. That's not even half of the product that I used, by the way. This was just for the camera. But I used a lot. There's a lot of oil in my hands, and I just scrunch my hair up. Before, I used to put oil in my hair in every section. But now, I don't do that anymore. And I noticed that a little bit goes a long way, especially with this oil. So yeah, my hair is definitely super shiny and feels incredibly soft whenever my hair is dried. Definitely because of this oil as well. Yes, okay. This is actually day 3 here. I was too lazy to film the first day hair, second day hair. So this is a 3rd day of my wash and go actually, and it's still looking super good. I got a little bit of frizz here and there, but nothing too special. My curls are still intact. I never had a better wash and go than when I use these products. Okay, these products are literally the first products ever that work extremely well on my hair for wash and goes. Only for wash and goes. For wash and goes, girl, listen, this is like my holy grail combination right here. Like, I've been using these products for a while now. I use them all the time when I do a wash and go, and now I'm like a wash and go girl again. I used to be like braid out, twist out, all that kind of stuff. Just put my hair in braids, get my hair out of the way because I didn't want to deal with it. So, you know, wash and goes, they take a lot of time, and I wasn't sure about the products that I used. Some caused me frizz, some caused me flakes, some didn't make my curls pop and all that kind of stuff. But these products, they literally made a difference in my wash and go game, and my hair looks good every single time that I do a wash and go. Okay, there's a little one here that doesn't want me to film. She wants to be in the video as well. Anyways, and you know the thing is, I actually personally know her, the owner of Curly Secret. It's an amazing girl. She's super sweet. She has a pure soul, a great positive energy. So I definitely wish her nothing but the best. This video is not sponsored at all or anything, but it's just like, look at my hair. Girl, Curly Secret has a lot of products, and not all products work on my hair, so I gotta be honest, some products absolutely do nothing at all. But maybe for other curl types it works amazing. Like, my hair doesn't like foam. She has foams like voluminizing foam and all that kind of stuff. My hair absolutely doesn't like it, okay? So that's why I don't use these products. But those 3 products, no, those 4 products that I showed you guys, girl, like, it's just a magical combination. And that combination works on everyone with my type of curls. I asked around. I know a lot of people here, like a lot in Belgium, that use these products because it's a Dutch brand. So yeah, it's just, like, everyone loves it. You gotta try it for yourself and you'll see. So yeah, this was just like a very random updated wash and go routine basically. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the products, to the exact products that I used, okay? I also have a coupon code. It's not even mine, okay? So I'm not earning any money of this. So I'm not earning any money of this by saying this, by making this video. I have a coupon code for 10% off or 15% off. I don't know, I have to check, of your whole order. So that's amazing, and they ship worldwide. I know it's a Dutch brand, but they ship internationally. So I hope you liked this super quick video, nothing so special, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.